It's about like an event that you should all go to, Take Back the Night, April 18th. Yeah, so it's about that. And I do a lot of work with the care office. And you know, what I see appalls my eyes, so let me apologize to all the women out there. I'm sorry my fellow men have showed you disrespect. I'm sorry that you have to take back the night when you're already the stars in the night sky. I don't really understand why people would try to smother a bright light, but I guess they're just blinded to the truth. But if they're blinded, let me open their eyes. So to the men, if you're still in the mindset of a sexist, thinking you're in the right lane, let me tell you, you are bound to exit. And they say the tongue is the strongest muscle, so I intend to flex it. That's why I'm saying that we listen to music about guns, sex, and glory, so kids end up hearing the wrong kind of story. Obsessed with the girls that have ass, 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 we forget about the girls that have class, class, class. Book kinds, because you know their planner is full. Like eating sexist is on the agenda, so cut the bull, because we need to bury the beef with the hatchet. This connection between men and women, we need to patch it and begin to treat women as our equal. Be on the same page instead of treating women like our treacle. So when you're talking, never talk down. Always talk straight, even if your bro's around. So I'm going to be direct and say that women deserve respect. They're not your sex objects, so the next time you erect your disrespect to protect your pride and reject the prospect that women might connect on an equal level, let me tell you, you are incorrect. But don't try to neglect the issue because you affect the outcome. So if you need to dissect, reflect, and detect what it means to respect and select to inject your voice into the feminist project, because what you are is another human being, far from perfect. You don't have the right to degrade or devalue, so keep your tongue in check. I mean, who gave you the right to call them sluts, whores, and bitches? That's food for thought, and you can clean your own dishes.